Determine the value of x and y whenever the two ordered pairs are equal to each other. Okay, let us begin. So here we are given with two ordered pairs. One of the ordered pair is x plus 3, 5, and the other pair is 6, 2x plus y. And it's given that both of the two ordered pairs are equal. Now, what we can do is we can take the first component of each of the two ordered pairs and equate them with each other to get x plus 3 equals to 6. Similarly, we are going to equate the second component of the ordered pair. So that's going to give us 2x plus y equals to 5. Now, solving for the values of x and y, that's a very simple task. So the first equation gives us x equals to 3. So using x equals to 3, our second equation is going to become 2 times 3 added to y equals to 5. So we have y equals to -1. So that means the value, thus x equals to 3 and y equals to -1.